On Zoe's 11th birthday, she started to receive an annual allowance. The first annual allowance was £500. So we can say A equals 500. And on each of the following birthday, the allowance was increased by £200. So it's going to go up to 700 and then 900 and so on. So the common difference is 200. Show that immediately after her 12th birthday, the total of the allowances that Zoe had received was 1200. Well, after her 12th birthday, that would be the sum, that would be S2, the sum of the first two terms. Now you could do the formula out, but I'm sure the first time she got 500, and the next time she'd get 200 more than that, which is 700, and that gives you 1200. Find the amount of Zoe's allowance on her 18th birthday. So that's not how much she's received altogether, it's just how much she gets on her 18th birthday. So then we look at how many is that on from the 11th birthday. If that 11th is the first one, then the 18th would be the 8th. So you're looking at the 8th term. So it'll be your 8th birthday from the start of the allowance. So the 8th term was A, 500, plus N minus 1, 7, and D is 200. So that's 1400 plus 500, which is £1900.